Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kiana and I'm coming to you with like an afro right now. I just finished doing a protein treatment in my hair, but today is the first day that I took out my hair with my faux locks, and I am so ready for this season because I miss my curls and we're gonna do a wash and go. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do. Don't forget to like this video when it's over, and let's jump right into the video. Alright, so today products that we're going to feature is a brand that I did use once on my channel, but I finally got more products. I'm like, you know what, I should just do a whole product review. I'm using the Jane Carter Solution products for my wash and go, and I am using my Uncle Funky Daughter Curl Stimulation Gel. The video that I do have on my channel is this product combo right here, and it was a bomb ass wash and go. So basically it's like a product review. Also, do I still like the whole combo that I used before type review? So we're going to section my hair because I do need to decondition my hair badly. I am going to spray my fenugreek water and my aloe juice. So the deconditioner that I have is the Healthy Hair Revive and Repair Mask, and I did pick this up from TJ Maxx and it was $5.99. TJ Maxx usually have all of the brands for a really discounted price, so I really don't know what the original price of this is. Oh, $9. It says $9 is the original price, but I got it for $5.99. And first off, this thing is thickety thickums, like thick. So we're gonna rub this on. Hopefully it gives me some good moisture. It is really thick. Yeah, definitely have to work in smaller sections and make sure your section is saturated with water. Alright, so I just finished adding the deep conditioner all over my hair, and I didn't use much at all. I don't know if you can really see it, but this stuff is thick, okay guys? So you have to use more water for easy distribution, but I like how my hands feel. So if my hands feel nice like this, then I know that the product is going to feel nice once I rinse it out of my hair. So I'm gonna go sit with a plastic bag over my head for about an hour. We'll come back and we can add the leave-in conditioner. So I'll be back in the next clip. Alright, so I just finished washing out the deep conditioner. I had it in my hair for about maybe like an hour and 30 minutes. Rinsing it out, my hair was so soft. Like I can still feel it now. It just feels so moisturized. It just feels so good. Oh my god, my hair just feels so freaking moisturized. So I am using the Jane Carter Curls on the Go. So it's two different lines. So that one was the healthy hair line, and this one, the pink one, is the Curls on the Go. So it says to hydrate, detangles, and reduce frizz. Has marshmallow root, mango butter, slippery elm. So you know, I love me some marshmallow root and I love me some slippery elm. I'm gonna take some out. Ooh, smells really nice. And I'm just gonna add my leave-in conditioner all over. You already know that is what I do, and oh my god, wow, wow, it just feels so good. Oh my god, yo, what did I just do? It just feels so good. I'm like, period. It just feels so good, and I felt as if I didn't need to add the leave-in in small sections. This right here, first off, it was the deep conditioner, then it was the leave-in. Now they do have a gel. I did have the gel before. The gel is trash. Like, the gel does not work for my hair. Like, it's for people that doesn't have tight forehair. But I'm going to add the curl cocktail, which doesn't say to use the leave-in before adding this, which is, you know, a little strange. I feel as though I can use this and then jump in with a gel, but I don't want to do that. Hopefully it doesn't flake together, because I really like this. I like this cream. It paired excellent with my Uncle Funky Daughter gel. Got this from Marshall's. Also, original price is $10. It was $6.99. Alright, so I added the cream all over in all 4 sections. Didn't use much, but again, I didn't need that much, so that's why I did it in big sections. But yeah, I'm gonna use this, one of the best for wash and go. Yeah, let's start applying that into sections. So this is my hair all coated. Excuse the long parts. You know, the front of my hair is the loosest texture. Feels good. Curls are divine. I'm gonna sit underneath. Alright, get focused. I'm gonna sit underneath my hoodie dry until it dries, and I'll be back probably tomorrow when my hair fully dries and like gets stretched out naturally. But yeah, so I'm gonna go sit underneath my hoodie dry. I'll be back tomorrow, which will be the next clip, but I'll be back the next day. Hey guys, so I am back. It is the next day, and let's just get deep inside of this, okay? Like, there's not much to say. You see how it looks like on camera. Just jump into it, okay? Alright, so I did cleanse my hair with a regular moisturizer shampoo, and then I followed up with the Healthy Hair Deep Conditioner. Listen, if this is not, this is on my top 2 favorite deep conditioners. My favorite moisturizer and deep conditioner is the Mayo Mongongo Oil Deep Conditioner. That is bae. That's holy grail. I know we're, you know, boycotting Mayo, but those are baes right there, okay, for moisture. This right here, first off, it is so freaking thick. This is super thick, like thick, like thick. You need some type of heat. You have to let it sit, but it is so moisturizing. Like, I instantly knew that my hair was gonna be moisturized once I like rinsed off my hands. I just want to use it again. Love this moisturizer deep conditioner. Like, ooh, baby girl. No, this leave-in conditioner was so moisturizing, nice and slippery. I was able to detangle. This pairs so well. I love it. Original price is $9. It's just so bomb, and I love it. Untangle Me weightless leave-in conditioner. Of course, this is one of my favorite curling creams. I only use this for wash and goes. I never tried it with a twist out, but it does say it helps tames and controls frizz. I don't have any frizz whatsoever. Did pair really well with the leave-in conditioner. It doesn't say to use the leave-in conditioner then this, so I was like a little scared, but it just worked perfectly with it. It gave that nice extra thick moisture that my hair needed, and it smells good. And this is 12 ounces, and I only paid $6.99 for it. So I got this one from Marshall's. You know, my Uncle Funky did a curl stimulated like gel. This is a bae. It's very soft, but it also has a nice hold, flowy, fluffy, ultra defined PC wash and go. This was an excellent wash day combo. My wash and go is bomb, and I'm so in love with it, and it's just gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.